ಸೊಲ್ಮೆಲು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಬೆಲೆ. Homework February 27, 2024, the Class 4 Tuesday. Note: today's homework, please practice and record video about the body parts and related words 2 times. Submit the video in Flip app under your group. Please also try to answer the challenge question. Here are the assignments in English. Number 1. My name is Ansika Sherigar. I live in Boston City. Please replace the names with your name and your city or town. Okay. Number 2. The smell of mom's cooking is very nice. Number 3. I like the taste of chutney that my grandmother makes. My elder sister has a golden necklace. Tulu translation of these. Number 1. Enna pudaru Ansika Sherigar. Yan Boston painted ippanu. Number 2. Ammana atilda kammena bari soku. Number 3. Enna ajji maltina ಚಟ್ನಿದ ರುಚಿ ಎಂಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. Number 4. ಎನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಡ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಕಂಟಿ ಉಂಡು. Now the challenge question. Can you list the adjectives in above Tulu sentences? Note: adjectives are words that describe the qualities or states of being of nouns. Okay, and here are the new words their pronunciation. First it will be in English, then in Tulu. Okay, my yenna live ippunu. I yan make malpunu. Cook atil smell. Kammena nice soku. Grandmother ajji. Elder sister akka. Gold bangar. Necklace kanti. Taste ruchi. Like ista. Thank you. Please submit the assignments and have a nice day.